Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is you put the food in unwashed utensils. You put the food in unwashed utensils. तुमने जूठे बर्तन में खाना डाल दिया. Second, you can't say it old water. You can't say it old water. तुम इसे जूठा पानी नहीं कह सकते. 3, it's kind of you. It's kind of you. ये आपकी मेहरबानी है. 4, he will obviously go there. He will obviously go there. वो तो वहाँ जाएगा ही. 5, your marriage is drawing near. Your marriage is drawing near. तुम्हारी शादी करीब आ रही है. 6, you came along with happiness. You came along with happiness. आप आए, बहार आई. 7, wisdom is better than strength. Wisdom is better than strength. अकल बड़ी या भैंस. 8, don't insist. Don't insist. जिद मत करो. 9, nothing special, just that. Nothing special, just that. कुछ खास नहीं, बस ऐसे ही. The last one is 10, such arrogance is not good. Such arrogance is not good. इतना गुरूर अच्छा नहीं. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.